So if the customers are purchasing one specific product many times and the stock is going out. So in this video, I will show the exact tutorial how you can limit the quantity of purchasing a specific product. So let's begin. So for this, I am using the next order limit quantity application from the Shopify app store. You can easily download it from here. After installing the app, go here, create validation, then create a cart validation. Then give a title like limit the order quantity of a specific product. Then add a new rule, add a condition, select the condition quantity of a product. Then select the product which you want to add. So in the operator, you can select what suits you the most. Like if I select greater than and if I put the value 10, then people cannot purchase more than 10 products. So you can choose equal, not equal, greater than or equal, less than or equal value between. So it depends on you what you want to choose. After that, add the action, select the action, show error message on the checkout page. Also, you can select show error message on cart and checkout page. I am selecting the second option. Then type the default message here which you want to add. Like you cannot purchase more than 10 products. After that, active the status and save this. Now people cannot purchase this specific product more than 10 times from your store. So let's check it on the online store. Make sure to subscribe our channel for more valuable content. So if I add the product more than 10 times in the cart, then you can see the error message. But if I select the product less than 10 times, then you can see there is no error message. So in this way, you can do it very easily. So if you like the video, then please hit the like, share and subscribe. And if you have any question, then please let me know in the comment section. And that's all today. I will see you in the next one. Bye.